Hi, this is Banu Prakash. This is a small video on software project management tool, FeedCamp. FeedCamp is a project management tool that helps from team collaborate effectively and complete projects in a fraction of time. It is a web, mobile, and desktop project management and collaboration system for teams. The company was launched in 2010 in Santa Barbara, California by founder Angel Garbly. FreeCamp is often noted as the free alternative to Basecamp in terms of the similarity in name, but both the visions and the business model differ. As you know, what is FreeCamp? FreeCamp is a web-based mobile and desktop project management and collaboration tool that offers free services to organize and collaborate work effectively. It offers services to an unlimited number of users files. This platform provides tools for tasking, setting, schedule events on the calendar, discussions, set milestones, use discussion boards, time tracking, and many more. FreeCamp. And FreeCamp advanced permissions of futures allows for a project to contain different types of users, roles with different access modes. The administrator can set up general users and the design certain tasks to relevant people with different levels of restrictions if needed. This platform provides tools for take setting, schedule events on a calendar, etc. FreeCamps often API provides a means to programmatically read the information in FreeCamp, input information into FreeCamp, and create automatic with FreeCamp. This allows customers or third party to build one of the FreeCamp platform and customize FreeCamp to unique way their work. It is RESTful in interface, allowing you to update and access much of your data on the platform. It provides predictable URLs for accessing resources and use built in HTTP resources features to receive comments and return response. This makes it easy to communicate with a wide variety to environments from command to utilize to browser plugins to native applications. More about FreeCamp. FreeCamp has user-friendly design that empowers people to work together and lead a work project from home or at the office. It is available at affordable FreeCamp pricing point. FreeCamp remains about project and keeps update through notification on project tasks, discussions, and shared files. To manage project effectively, all the users have an access to number of essential applications and additional production tools can be purchased from paid plans. Why do we use FreeCamp? FreeCamp can easily organize projects, tasks, and track the teamwork time. It can control on the project resources, budgets, and settings, and receiving notifications on to-do tasks, and many more. FreeCamp dashboard allows the user to access any project in one place to remain organized, updated, and productive. FreeCamp project management software mobile support allows to access the website via user mobile device. And FreeCamp has integrated with SaaS tool including Google Calendar, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and Jabber. In 2020, Gmail adding and Outlook add-on were released. Uses of FreeCamp. It is used for FreeCamp virtually unlimited. Grabblue has found that this is not only business that use the project, but FreeCamp has been used in classrooms at major universities of both students and teachers. Now we can see the features of FreeCamp. Here we have free applications and paid applications. Free applications are task lists, shared task list with subtasks, It will stay on top of your task list and stay in touch with what happenings. It says what happening in the taskbars, subtasks. It will successfully take this task management involves splitting larger tasks in smaller subtasks. It will split the larger task into smaller subtasks. Team collaboration. Team collaboration is nothing but involving the team members or inviting the team members and communicating with each other and share the workload. Discussions. Discuss ideas with your team for one centralized place. We have to discuss what is the project and what is the idea with team members. Calendar. Event scheduling, add events with dates. We can add dates via calendar and event scheduling. We can also sync our Google Calendar with FleetCam tool. File storage. File storage have advanced file management. FleetCam includes a space to share document files. This will include space, some part of space to share the documents of the project and files. Milestones, deadline setting, deadline of the project, and group list of tasks and set a goal by a certain data. Time, tracking the time, whether you are tracking your workday or building clients, time tracking is essential to productivity. You can track day by day. Tasking. Not all the tasks should be public knowledge. Keep your personal task private. By keeping the personal task private, we can easily make the task keeper. Now we can see paid applications. Issue tracker. We have to pay for this. Issue tracker. Advanced workflow issue management. Where the simplicity of tasks has restrictions, the issue tracker can open whole world of functionality for tracking issues. The simplicity of the task has restrictions. The issue tracker can open whole world. Means the tracker can open the whole world of the functionality for tracking the issues, what is happening in the project. Wiki. Create internal or public document. By creating internal or public document, our organization documents and needs to a place to keep multiple versions of each document. Organizations can make a place to keep multiples of documents in a version of each document. Gantt charts. Visual way to see when task starts and ends as related to other tasks. Means Gantt charts will show what is happening, like a graph. What is happening and what is going on and which percentage is there in the ultimate bird's eye view of your task, allowing you to quickly adjust your plans. You can adjust the plans in the Gantt charts and taskbars in the Gantt chart. Google Drive. Sync FleetCam with your Google Drive. We can sync our Google Drive with the FleetCam OneDrive. Access your OneDrive files. With accessing our OneDrive files with FleetCam, we can do many more. These are some screenshots of FleetCam tool. Login page of FleetCam tool. This is a login page. FleetCam login. We have to first of all we have to sign in, and we have to give email and password. We have to log in. Keep me in log for 2 weeks. We can log in for 2 weeks for saving. Here we can see the list of our projects. Here we whatever we want, what the project name or anything else we can keep here. Means we can list out the projects here in one of the taskbar, and whenever we want to see, we can see the projects lists and names of the project. This is the logo for this. This is a calendar feature where we can add events to particular date. This is a calendar. This is a calendar. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and overall all of the year. Here we can sync Google Calendar with FleetCam. Google Calendar means Google Drive with FleetCam. We can give you a full control over the things you want to see. Here we can give the full control of anybody to see what is going on and which date what happens. and see some of the days are filled with projects. We can do whatever we want in the calendar by giving certain things. These are the gain charts. Here we can see gain charts. As I said that gain charts represents as a graph. Here we can see the bars, blue color in blue color and green color. These are the gain charts, and we can see the values data here. Issue tracker. We have to, first of all, we have to create the issue tracker. What issue tracker can say what is the comments given by the project manager or project employer. Here's some of the remarks. Can't open image attachments in browser windows. Email notifications is not working on 1, 2, 3 and 1.2 as well. Project not found. Error after deleting project. Regression issue with upgrade step 184. Details value for data don't work. Can't filter by versions of parent project when child project deselected. Time tracking. These are time tracking process. We have to first of all add the time when we start and when we end, and these are total time left spent left. These are hours, these are minutes. Work on the front page markups. Here we can see our profile. Here we can see when our project starts and when our project ends. And these are some of the advantages and disadvantages of FreeCam tool. Pros. Customizable interface. Here the customers can interface with them in the FreeCam tool. Advanced task management features. Here we have advanced technology in this tool for taking the task easy to use. This tool is we can use easily. A small kid can easily do. Cons. Few integrations with third-party apps. We can do integrations with third-party apps, like what I said, that it uses for virtual unlimited, and it is not only for business that we have used a project, but FreeCam has been used in the classrooms. That is one of the advantage. And slow learning curves and few supports materials. It only has slow learn curves and few support materials. It has only smaller amount of materials and no resource scheduler. It doesn't have any resource scheduler. So these are some of the advantages and disadvantages of the FreeCam tool. Link for FreeCam tool. Here we can log. This is the link where we can log in through our email address and our password. So this tool, software project management tool. Thank you.